Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a quick and essential tech skill: how to scan a QR code on your iPad in 2025. With the latest iOS updates, this process is faster and more intuitive than ever, making your daily life a breeze. Whether you're paying for coffee, accessing event info, or sharing links, scanning QR codes is a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, ensure your iPad is running the latest software. By 2025, that's probably iOS 19 or beyond. This built-in feature means you don't need any extra apps. Start by unlocking your iPad and opening the camera app. You can find it on your home screen with the camera icon. Just tap it to launch. Next, hold your iPad steadily and point the rear camera at the QR code. Keep it about 6 to 12 inches away for the best results. In just a few seconds, your iPad will automatically detect the QR code and a notification or banner will pop up on the screen. This is iOS's smart scanning at work. Once detected, tap on the notification to open the linked content. It could be a website, a video, or even a contact. Super convenient. If nothing happens, don't worry. Head to Settings, Camera, and make sure QR code scanning is enabled. Sometimes, privacy settings might block it, so double check there. And just like that, you're all set. Scanning QR codes on your iPad is now second nature. This feature saves time and adds a touch of modern magic to your device. If you run into any issues, try restarting your iPad or updating your software. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time.